Experimat program has been described here as a hands-on line approach. And let me begin by explaining what we plan to do in this program with this approach. First, to begin with, today is the 16th of August, the day after our Independence Day, and I will begin by wishing everybody here a very happy Independence Day, which has already elapsed, but a better year ahead, where we successfully combat the crisis that this country and the world is going through, the COVID crisis. Of course, to combat the COVID crisis, we need science, and it is only through science that we will be able to meet this challenge. And science, of course, needs good mathematics. In this program Experimat, which I described as a hands-online method, let me point out. So I was explaining that this is not an online instruction program, because Experimat is, this fan can be put a little less. Experimat is a self-study program. It is a program of self-study where you will be guided, you will get some guidance on the online platform. Mathematics cannot be learnt except by understanding, and it is difficult to understand mathematics just by listening to a lecture or by reading a book. There is only one way to understand mathematics, and that is to solve problems, to make and understand. And our whole approach is based on this little poem, which is translated from Chinese. It says, I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do, I understand. So doing and understanding are very closely related to each other. This program we also call an ABCD approach, which is activity-based comprehension and discovery. Activity-based comprehension and discovery. Activity means experiment. And of course, here that EBCD, which is also there, does not mean experiment-based comprehension and discovery. What EBCD stands for is written below. It says everybody can do math. E for every, B for body, C for can, D for do. Everybody can do math. हम सभी गणित कर सकते हैं. आपण सर्व गणित करू शकतो. Okay, so today's session is about exploring the concepts of, beginning the exploration of concepts of class 8 by the method of making, doing, and understanding. Now, doing well in mathematics requires understanding, as we just saw. And for understanding, getting good marks in the exams is not sufficient. You can get good marks by rote learning, but rote learning will not help you to understand mathematics.
Give me this earphones.
But for getting good marks, therefore, we need both understanding as well as some practice. Both these things are needed. Now, I also want to point out that in mathematics, we cannot be in a hurry. Apan ghai karu shakat nahi. Mathematics is not a speed race. Mathematics is like eating food. If we eat food too fast, what will happen? We will not digest it. We will not enjoy it. To eat food, we must eat food slowly. Chew it. Enjoy the taste. And then after eating, we should digest it. And mathematics also has to be learnt in the same way. No speed race, slow and steady. You know the saying, slow and steady wins the race. So we will go step by step, we will proceed to build up our understanding of mathematics by doing and understanding. Now for doing, आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे तर त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला साहित्य पाहिजे. ही साहित्य सगळे आपले आजूबाजूला आपल्याला मिळतो. We meet all those materials for doing mathematics in our nearby environment. So we will have to make our own math kit. गणित पेटी आपण बनवू ते आपण प्रयोग करणार आहे. So let us make the math kit. To make the math kit, I will first give you this box. Yeah, you please sit there. I will give you the box. And here we have made the math kit. I will place all the items one by one. I know that there are many participants today in this program from all over India. They are there in Mumbai, they are there in Maharashtra, also from other states. But these materials are available anywhere and everywhere. So what do you need to learn mathematics? The first item is this jhadu. Okay? You may ask, what is this jhadu for? In this jhadu, there are these broomsticks which we will use for constructing lines, for making shapes. Okay? The second item is, yeah, please let them come. Please call them. Please come. Please come in and leave from the rear. Second item is this cardboard with which we will use as a drawing board. Okay, I will keep that here. This also you can get from a carton. हे सगळीकडे आपल्याला सापडतात, बरोबर आहे? Another item is cardboard sheets like this, also available anywhere. A scale is what you need for doing geometry. Along with the scale, there is also another measuring tape which you can get in any stationery store. This measuring tape is something that you can get in the stationery store. Now, one thing which you should do for learning mathematics and building your experiment kit is to collect the used cartons of fruit juice, of fruity, of milk, and you can cut them, open them up, and get sheets like this. So this material is very useful for making shapes. So you must collect these, wash them, open them up, and make sheets like this. Okay. Then toothpaste and other covers, they have cardboard which are used for making shapes, right? Along with that, you will need dory, string. Okay? And in order to cut the string and cut the cardboard, you will need to have a cutter and a scissors, okay, for cutting. You will also need to have graph paper. I think in your school book you have graph paper, so we will use a lot of graph paper also in our mathematics. This graph paper can be put on your board, and to fix it on the board, we will use these pins. So we can pin the paper on this board. So that is why we have to have this board on which we can pin the paper. So you will need to have pins, drawing pins like this. These are available in the stationery store. And also you will need to have other pins, the ordinary Tachni. Okay. So let us see the other items. A slate, maybe 2 slates. Okay. And pencils, geometry box, all that you have. So these are the things that you will need to do geometry, which we will do. And last but not the least, you will need a grid notebook. Even though you are in 8th standard, and these grid notebooks are used only by young children, but for doing mathematics, this is very useful. Okay? So all these things you can pick up and make your geometry kit. I will put the ball inside here. You can keep this outside. We will use this. We will use this. We will use this. I'll keep this outside. You will be using this. All the other things and the jharu we can put back into your kit. And this kit, keep it carefully. Otherwise, your mother may think it is a kachra peti and she may pick it up and throw it out. So tell her it is not a kachra peti. It is my mathematics kit. Okay? And we will be putting some more things as we go along. Okay. Now, there are some other items also which you will not find in a stationery store, but they are very useful. अजून 2-3 साहित्य आहे ते तुम्हाला स्टेशनरी दुकानात नाही मिळणार, पण ते फार उपयोगी आहे. ते काय आहे आपण पाहूया. There is this, it is called a geoboard, and you can put rubber bands and you can make shapes with rubber bands. So this geoboard is useful. There is the unit cubes, which are here. These unit cubes are very useful. You will not get them in a stationery store. So this, the geoboard, there are these jodo cubes. हे मुलांचे खेळणी आहेत, पण आपल्याला गणित शिकायला फार उपयोगी आहेत. They are children's toys. These cubes fit to each other like this, like this. You can make shapes. We will use this also to understand mathematical concepts. And there is this Jodo kit, which has inside straws and connectors. The connectors are like this here, and then there are straws. These straws fit into the connectors, and after fitting them into the connectors, you can bend them, you can give them different angles. So this Jodo kit also you will not get in a stationery store. You will have to get them from the specialized shops which have these materials. So there is Jodo cubes, there is unit cubes, there is the Jodo kit, there is this geoboard. These are available from the organizers, from the Navnirmiti. Okay, so you can get these from the organizers, but most of the time we will not use this. Most of the time we will just use those things which are available easily to us. And today we will be using this. We will be doing mathematics with this. Now, let us also briefly discuss what we will be doing in this entire program this year. We are starting now in the middle of August, but we will be going on till March or April. And we will meet maybe twice a month, maybe 3 times a month. And over all these sessions, we will cover all the concepts of class 8. Now, usually in class 8, there is a problem. The problem is that we are not comfortable with the concepts of class 7, of class 6, of class 5. For example, in class 6 and class 5, we need to know about fractions, apurnanka, dashmalav, hinna, dashanshanka. We need to know fractions, decimals, and we have not been really taught by understanding So we need to revise fractions, we need to revise decimals, we need to revise the basics of geometry. Already in class 7 there is geometry, in class 6 there is geometry. But because mathematics is not taught by understanding, just by some procedure, some tantra, therefore by class 8 there are many difficulties of understanding. So during this year, we will try to cover also many areas of class 6 and class 7. So by the end of class 8, you will be fully ready for class 9. But as I said, not just by listening to this lecture, you will have to go home and do some activities, solve some problems. So let us solve the problem. Let us start solving problems right now. Okay. The first problem is that I want you to take your tape. There is tape in your box also. Please take it out in your kit. Please take out this tape, this measurement tape. Got it? Okay. Now I want you to measure the length of this straw. Okay? And don't worry if you have difficulty. Try it. If you have a difficulty, don't worry, because we are taught mathematics, but we are not taught practically what to do. So, but try to use this tape. How many centimeters is this straw? How many centimeters?
Sorry.
50 centimeter, I think. 12. Okay, both of you got 12. You're right. All right. Now, the next problem. Both are 12, yes, and they're both the same length, 12 centimeters. Very good. The next problem is you take this and you take this and measure and give me a rod like this, which is 10 centimeters in length. Make a rod of 10 centimeters. You can break it. See, you can break it like this. Okay. So measure and break off a rod of 10 centimeters. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Making mistakes is the best way to learn mathematics. Okay, try it. And that is 10 centimeters. Okay. Asamura. Done? So you can give me this. Samura te puje. This. कात्री आहे काय? झालं? नाही. कात्री आहे काय? बघा तुमचं किट मध्ये कात्री असणार. There is a mic already there. Okay, we can put it. Yeah.
You can take both of it.
Yes.
Take them.
अभी छपरा फाड़ के माइक आ रहा है जी.
नहीं ये दिखेगा नहीं आपको, एक ही दिखेगा।
ठीक। Are you okay here? All right, so now both of you have made a 10 centimeter rod. Let's put them next to each other. And we find that, yes, they're equal, but they're a little bit different. Little bit different. That always happens. When you are making something, you are never 100% accurate. There is always a little difference. If you make one rod now, another rod after 5 minutes, those two rods will be a little bit different. So when you make something, it is always nearly correct, but not 100% correct. Okay? Very good. So now we have two rods of 10 centimeters. The next exercise is, I want you to take this string and I want you to measure 1 meter. We'll cut the string in half. This is yours, this is yours. Measure 1 meter and cut it. Give me 1 meter of when you have 1 meter, you cut it. So take your scissors and cut it. Shraddha, when you've got 1 meter, you cut it. Cut the string, not the tape. You. Let's see whose meter is bigger. We've both measured 1 meter. So let's now see. Wow. Very accurate. Very accurate. That means both of you have measured very accurately, or both of you have made the same mistake. I think that's difficult. I think both of you have measured very accurately. So this must be about 1 meter. Okay. Now, we need to know sometimes what is 1 meter. So how to do that? Now we know that this is 1 meter. So usually you will find that this 1 meter is from here. I put my arm out here up to here. Okay, just try it out. You also try it out. You stand up and do it. Right? It's about from there up to here. So supposing you want to go somewhere and get 1 meter, take dori, measure it up to here, cut it. That is 1 meter. Maybe a little bit more or less, but that is 1 meter. Okay? Thank you. Now, if I want to make 10, this was the one, right? If I want to make, this was 1 meter, right? So if this is 1 meter, how much is this? How much is this now? No, this is 1 meter, this is 100 centimeters. This is 100 centimeters, 50 centimeters. Okay, so how much is this? $25. Now you had made this 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So how much is this? How much is this? 20 centimeters. 10 plus 10. Let us see now. If I put this here, this is more, right? It should be more. It's about 5 centimeters more. So this is 25 centimeters. Okay? All right, so now we know about length. Now let us see how we will use this geometry kit to learn geometry. In geometry, we begin with a point. So what is a point? This here is a point. I put a pin here. That is a point. Okay. To repeat it. Okay, there is a question about repeating what we have done earlier. I'll just briefly repeat it. Earlier we had Shreya and Shraddha had both very accurately measured this as how much? 10 centimeters. Okay, I have not measured it, but both of you got the same answer, so it must be correct. But shall we measure it now and see? Today I will check what you have done to see whether it is 10 centimeters. Okay, let me see. Here I have this tape and I measure this and it's yes, it is 10 centimeters. Okay, so now what we're doing, I'm putting 10 centimeters along with 10 centimeters. So this is how much? This is 20 centimeters, 10 plus 10. And earlier I had, which was the 1 meter? This one here, no? No, not that one. Was it this one? It was not this one. Yes, it was this one. This was 1 meter. Let me check. Actually, it is not 1 meter. Is that your 1 meter? Let me check. Both of you got the same answer. Maybe. Oh, both of you got the same answer, but both of you were off by 5 centimeters. This is 95 centimeters. You also got 95, and you also got 95. Okay, I think you were cheating. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so sometimes it happens. Okay, you measured it, but
Please.
a little bit, 5 centimeters off. I think 5 centimeters is too much. 1 centimeter we can accept. Okay, so now let's measure 1 meter. Okay, so let's see this. I'll put this here.
Okay.
Cut here. Cut here. Thank you. Are we okay? Are we still on? Are we okay? So this is 100 centimeters. So now we have, this is 50 centimeters. This should be 25 centimeters. Let us see. Let us see. This is 20. And this is about 5 centimeters ahead of that. Okay. Let's see that it is actually 5 centimeters accurately. I will use these unit cubes now. These are all 1 centimeter unit cubes. So this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So if I've measured correctly, then from here to here, this should be, from here to here, this should be 25 centimeters. Let us see. Okay, 25 centimeters. And now let us proceed with how we use this kit for geometry. This was one example. Measuring length is important, but let us start off with a point. This is a point, right? Can you give me another example of a point? If I give you a pen,
Please
can you
tell me, please.
show me a point with the pen
Hello, sir.
on the piece of paper? Fine. You don't need to puncture it. You can just put it like that. That is also a point. Okay. Another point is here. I will tie a knot. This is also like a point. Okay? You will say it's not a point, it is bigger than a point, but this is also not a point, it is slightly bigger than a point. In fact, you can take this material and let me put a hole through it. Now, can you look through it? Hold it close to your eye. What do you see? You see everything, right? So if it was a point, how can I see through it? How can I have such a big... But when that point comes very close to my eye, it becomes quite big. So what is a point? Depends about from how far I'm looking at it. If I come very close, that point can become big. But for us now, that is a point. This is a point. Okay? This here is a point. That knot which I tied, that knot, that is a point. Now even beyond that, I can join these two rods using, this is clay. मुलांचं खेळणी आहेत, त्याला clay म्हणतात. So I can join these two rods here. So when I join these two rods, I will even call this a point. It's not a point, okay, but we can consider it as a point sometime. Okay, and we'll keep this here. I can look at this thing which I've constructed using the Jodo kit. The Jodo kit, there are those connectors. And you can join up these straws using the connectors. Please do that. You can try using these. Join two straws using this connector. That's okay. I just want two straws joined. Thank you. So now we have joined these two straws. So now what is this? This is a point. And what are these? In geometrical language, this is a line. This is a line. This is a line. This. What is this? A line. So now, this is a line. This is a line. This is a line. Straws are lines. And also, what is this here? A line, because I can fold something. When I fold something, I get a line. Okay? What is this here? A line. And when the two lines meet here, what do I get? A point. Okay, so this is all something that we learned in class 6. The two lines meet in a point. Okay, but here we are making it. We are doing it. Okay, now we come to a concept which is a little bit tricky. And very often, not many students have a clear idea of that concept, and that is the concept of line of angle. Okay, let us understand angle. So, angle is about rotation. Now, these two lines are in the same direction. Now, are they in the same direction? This point's here, this point's there. They're not in the same direction. I rotate it. Now, are they in the same direction? No. Why not? Very correct. Very correct. It is the same line, but they're not in the same direction. This is going like this, and this is going like this. As they say, 36 takra. Yeah? This is 3, this is 6. Right? Ulta. So now, let us do this exercise. Okay? And if I go like this further, I go all the way down like this, and I go all the way, come here. Now are they in the same direction? They're in the same direction. So I have gone a full, I have turned through a full circle. I have turned through a full circle. And when I go through a full circle, how many degrees do I turn? How many degrees in the full circle? 180. Not 180, close.
360 degree.
360, that's right. So these are concepts from class 6 and class 7, but now we are in class 8, and in class 6 and class 7, we were not shown all these things. So sometimes we know it is 360 is there, 180 is there, but now let's understand the 360, 180 thing slightly better. Okay. So 360, you're right. One question is, let's look at the clock. Okay, let us imagine that this is a clock. Ghadiyan. So what is this time now? Yeah, 12. What is this? 3. What is this?
3.
6. What is this?
6.
What is
9.
this? 12 again.
12.
So I have divided the whole circle into how many parts?
12.
1, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4,
12.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many parts?
12 parts.
12 parts. So when I'm looking at hours in the clock, I have divided the circle into 12 parts. Let's look at it in minutes. Now, when the minute hand goes from here to here, how much time has passed? 60 minutes. 1 hour. एक तास. एका तासात किती मिनिट आहे? 60. Right? So sometimes I divide the circle into 60 parts. Okay. And degrees, you just said it is 360 degrees. Now the question is 12, 60, 360. Why did they not divide the whole circle into 100 parts? Like a meter is divided into 100 parts, 100 centimeters. Why choose something like 360, 60? Why not 100? Why not 100 minutes in 1 hour? Why not 10 hours in 1 day? Why not? Now, there is a good answer to that question, but that I leave for you as a homework problem. Go to Google and find out, ask the question, why 60 minutes in 1 hour? Why 60 seconds in 1 minute? Why 360 degrees in 1 full circle? Okay, find out why. Next time when we meet, we will discuss that in more detail. I'm not telling you the answer now, but you do some research when you go back home and try to find out. But I'm going to do an activity. Sharda, please come here. And put your hand out like this. Like this. No. Stand here. Put your hand out. I will wear a mask now because we have to observe some social distancing. Can you get your mask also? Yes. Okay. All right, never mind. Come, I've got my mask on. Come. Stand here. Okay. Put your hand out. Now turn through 360 degrees. Keep your hand out. Turn through 360 degrees. Turn around 360 degrees. एक 360 डिग्रीचं चक्कर मारा. कसं करणार? बरोबर? बरं. आता 180 180 डिग्रीचं चक्कर मारा. बसा. आता आपण चर्चा करूया. 360 डिग्रीज म्हणजे एक पूर्ण चक्कर. ओके? नाव where is, do you have one more plate? Okay. So this is a full circle, right? If I go all the way around, it is 360 degrees. Now how much is this? If I go from here to here, how much is it? 180, right? And if I go from here to here, 90 degrees. Now come back. Now hold your hand out. 360 degrees. (180 degrees). Is this 180? Think. 360 degrees. हे किती? 180 म्हणजे अशी ना? थ्री सिक्स्टी करा. हे झालं पूर्ण. 180 त्याचा अर्धा. 180 डिग्रीज करा आता. अर्धा. ते अर्धा आहेत. अजून पूर्ण. हे पूर्ण झालं. म्हणजे आपण असं होतं ना, पूर्ण चक्कर मारला तर पूर्ण. हम लोग ऐसे थे. असं फिरवलं, पूर्ण फिरवलं तर किती झालं? 360 तुम्ही सांगितलं ना, 360. आता जर मी असं फिरवलं, किती असणार आहे? 180. म्हणजे 180 असं आणि 180 असं झालं 360. मी इतकं फिरवलं तर किती होणार? 90. लक्षात आलं? 90 किती, 180 किती, 360 किती? परत करूया. हात वगैरे. 360. ठीक आहे. 180 करेक्ट. 360 परत म्हणजे 90. 180. 180 plus 90 270. 270 म्हणजे 180 plus 90. ठीक आहे. 360. Okay, thank you. So now we know what is angle. So now I'm going to ask you to cut these 4 parts like this. What is this angle? How much is this angle? 90 degrees. Correct. How much is this angle? 180 degrees. Right? Now, let me ask you the next question, which is, we had made this here. So now we have three rods which are of the same length. Okay, three rods of the same length. And I'm using this clay to join them to make, what is the shape called? Triangle, right. Okay, so I've used this thing to make this shape called a triangle. Okay, what is this angle here? 90. This is 90. Now look at this angle here. This angle is 90. Is this 90? This whole angle is 90. This is 90. This is 90 from here to here. So is this more than 90 or less than 90? This angle? Let's come back here. Let's look at it again. This is 0, right? This is 90.
Papa, I had tried
Now this angle here is so much. It is less than 90, right? So your homework problem now, is to find out what is this angle. All these three angles are equal, here, here, and here. Because all these
Less than 90 degree.
less than 90
So,
degree and acute
these angles
angle.
are all equal. This angle here, this angle here, this angle here.
Less than 90 degree.
So let me do one thing. Let us take this piece of paper and cut out some angles from here. Okay, I'll keep the piece of paper on the math kit on this board, and I'll take this rod. These three rods are all the same length. Let's take this we need one more rod, which I have to keep here. Okay, so this is the position for this pin, and I need one more pin here, right? So I will take one pin from here and place it at the point where these two meet. Place it here. Okay, now I can remove these rods. These are my 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Now can I join these points with a pen and a scale? There's your scale here. So we can join this. We can join this. And we can join this. Okay, so now take your scissors and can you cut out this triangle? So now I have to cut this here a little bit. Okay, we have this triangle which we have made. And the problem is, what is this angle? What is this angle? What is this angle? Are they the same? They are the same, right? So what is this angle? That is your homework problem. Okay, but I'm going to do one thing right now. I'm going to make this angle into half. Okay, how do I make it into half? I just fold it in half. And then I cut along this line here. So now okay, so now this angle is half of this angle. Okay, now let me add this angle to this angle. So there we added by joining the two rods. Here we are adding by joining the angles. Okay, so there's this angle here, which I'm adding to this angle here. And I get this whole angle. What is this whole angle? How many degrees? How many degrees is it? We saw that earlier. 90 degrees, right? So this angle plus this angle plus this angle. That means 3.5 times, 1.5 times this angle. So this is 40. If this is 40, this is 40, but these are different. No, this is half this. This is half this. This plus this is 90. And this is half this. So what is this? This is 45. If this is 45, then what is this? Are they equal? No, no, no. Is this equal to this? This angle is 2 times this angle. See? There. No sound? How come? No. Okay. This angle here is half of this angle. So this, if this is 1, if this is 1, this is, if this angle is 1, then this angle is double that. That is, this is 2. And this plus this, so this is 2, this is 1. So what is this whole thing? 3. Now 3 is 1 is 90 degrees. So what is 1? If 3 is 90, what is 1? 30. What is 2? 60. Right. Okay. So now we know this angle here is 1, which is 30. This angle here is 60. This angle here is 90. Okay. So by making angles and joining angles, we were able to understand what is a 30-degree angle, what is a 60-degree angle, what is a 180-degree angle, what is a 90-degree angle, what is a 360-degree angle. So we have made and understood something about angles today. All right. Now, I want you to go back and read your textbook, okay, about angles. What is angle? And I think you will understand much better what is there in the textbook after this activity. Okay. Now, in the next sessions, as we go ahead, we will cover all the concepts of geometry, triangles, similar triangles, congruent triangles, Samarup, Trikon. All this we will cover in the next sessions. We will talk about quadrilaterals. We will make shapes like this, which are not flat. This shape is called a solid shape, a three-dimensional shape. We will make these shapes using our math kit. And not only that, but we will also cover the subjects, concepts of algebra, okay, identities, factorization. All these things we will understand by doing. So today, have you understood? What have we understood today? Length, then point and angles. Okay? And I hope all the participants who are participating in this discussion from all over the country, I hope you also have understood these 3 points, these 3 concepts very clearly. What is a point? What is a line? What is an angle? How we can add lengths? How we can add angles? Maybe we went a little slow sometimes, but as we decided in the beginning, we are not running a race. We are here to understand. And by understanding, we will certainly reach our destination, because slow and steady wins the race. Okay? We will meet again after another 10 days, I hope. And at that time, we will take this discussion further. I thank all of you. I thank the team members, Pooja Madam, Akash Sir, Gaurav Sir. I thank the participants, Shreya and Shraddha, and the entire support team. And in conclusion, in a few days, we will be celebrating Ganpati. I wish you, all of you, a very happy Ganpati, and take your leave. Thank you.
Okay, so all participants, now we are ending our session. So before that, if anybody is having questions, specific questions, so you can ask to sir.
Madam,
You can-
when our next workshop?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is not audible.
When our next workshop?
Yeah, our next workshop will let you know, ma'am. I think after maybe 10 days or 15 days, so that will inform you. We can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Anybody else? You can give your feedback in the chat box. Yeah, and anybody in between, I think anybody was, somebody was asking about the Jodo 3D kit. So, so this is our Jodo 3D kits that Sir was using while explaining the concepts. So I think we have shared our link in the chat box. So if anybody is interested, you can go to the link and you can see whatever products or whatever kits we have in that. Yeah. So this is specifically we are using for the geometry. Yeah, so I think if there is no question, so here we'll end our session. Thank you so much all the participants for joining us. Yeah.